Okay, the yam chips are out of the oven. I'm just getting these onto a plate. I normally make larger batches of these, but you know, this was just to give you an idea of what to do with these. You can see that some of the smaller ones got really crisp and brown around the edges. That's totally fun. And they're really small slivers. Will probably burn because they're so much smaller, but that's really not a big deal. What we're looking for is something like this. Oh my gosh, you can see it just cracked and broke. This one, you know, is a little bit crispy, not a big deal. We'll just toss the other end. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these are great. You know, just crispy and brown around the edges. They're only very slightly soft in the centers because it is a yam, but they're nice and crispy around the rest of the chip. Just the right amount of salt, and of course butter in there. These are fantastic, and you know, again, these are really great. Excuse me. These are really great. Throw in a Ziploc and take them with you. I would let these cool though before you try to package them. You don't want the heat to kind of steam up anywhere in a container or a Ziploc because that'll make them soggy. So let them cool completely before you put them in a container or in a Ziploc bag or anything like that. But these are so yummy. There's no sugar added to this. The only thing we put on these yams, which actually are very healthy for you, lots of vitamins and minerals in yams, is some organic butter, unsalted butter, and some sea salt, which is very natural and not bad for you at all. So yummy, 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 healthy, munchy, free to throw in your bag.